Hey guys, what's going on? Savage Innovation here. Basically what I'm going to be showing you today is how to make a popper out of paper. So what it is you're going to throw it and it's going to make a really loud noise. So what I'm going to do is I have this. I'm going to fold it once and then I'm going to fold it again. So now it's looking like this. Fold it up one more time to where, see? That part is a little bit above. I'm gonna flip it around, hold it this way, take this, move it in, grab this side so it looks like that. Then you're gonna, like that. And then you just fling it as hard as you can. Peace.